Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is AI concept series for absolute beginners. In today's episode, we are going to talk about one of the most famous frameworks, I would say, in AI to build agents. What is LangChain? That's what we are going to learn and master today. That's everything at the end of this video. You will be able to master what is LangChain. Let's get started. All right, so first things first and the basics. What is LangChain? LangChain is a tool to build apps with AI. You can build your own chat GPT using LangChain. There are a lot of free available models from Hugging Face, Facebook, etc., which you can download, use it, and build your own chat GPT locally in no time. But all of that can be done using a tool called LangChain. It helps you connect AI to your own data, which is your files, website, databases, etc. You can give AI memory to it so that it remembers things during a conversation. It lets AI use different tools like calculator, Google search, or APIs for that matter. Using LangChain, you can define the steps. That means first get the data, then process it, then summarize it, and finally answer it. You can absolutely build your own chatbot, Q&A bots, assistant, all of it with very bare minimum code using LangChain. LangChain primarily works with Python and other modules which are basically available packages for Python, but you can also use JavaScript to integrate. It's a big community out there and there is so many models, so many modules already available that you can just build your own chat GPT in no time. So why use LangChain? Which is, it makes AI smarter. That means you can connect ChatGPT like models to your own data set. You can add memory. That means instead of just a one-time conversation, you can create a memory. That means it will remember what was discussed previously, that is in the past conversations, to start instead of starting every time. You can easily build apps. That means there are so many ready-made components available that you can create your own app in no time. It's flexible, right from small personal projects like chatbot to any big system, let's say enterprise knowledge based system search or something like that, or a CRM search. You can build any of these tools using LangChain. LangChain also supports databases, APIs, agents, search tools, cloud services, all of this for free of cost as it's an open source framework. Now, how does LangChain works? Now, first is the most important thing is the input. User asks a question, which is actually a prompt or a task. Then you define a model, which model to use. You can either use any LLM, which you need to pay, like OpenAI or Anthropic or Claude AI or Google Gemini, or you can also download a free open source models, which are also available as part of Llama or say BERT, etc. So you can then, AI can then look up into those particular model files, databases, and get you that answer. You can also optionally store it in a memory in order to reprocess that data. So in a simple diagram, I can say user provides an LangChain a prompt goes to the LLM model, it goes into the tool memory, and then finally comes back with an answer. This is how ChatGPT works. You can build your own ChatGPT as well. Now, what are some of the key features of LangChain? LangChain is based on the concept of linking data together, multiple steps together, which are called chains. Now, each chain does a particular task. Let's say read, analyze, summarize, store, etc. Agents. Now, AI decides which tool to use to solve a problem. You don't have to worry about it. The model already has that definition for you. Memory is where you store the past interactions. And finally, there would be something called retrievers. What it does is it will pull the information back from those models, from those documents, databases, flat text. Integrations. This works when you're working with an external API or a vector database or a cloud service. Finally, you can build pre-built templates, which are basically used for quick building apps. So these are the features of LangChain. What are some of the popular use cases? I already mentioned you. We can build our own chatbots. We can build our Q&A bots. We can build search and retrieval. We can do automation, and we can build apps for personal learning, education. Also, we can build dashboards for business intelligence. What are some of the advantages of LangChain? It connects data to real world data. Either you can take your LangChain app and connect it to OpenAI or Anthropic and get real world data. Or if you are a startup or an enterprise, you can build and train on your own data set. It saves time. There are a lot of pre-built tools, modules, and templates which are available for you to quickly put together an app. It's flexible and scalable. It has memory support, absolutely active community, which is increasing. That means there are a lot of tutorials, guides, and there is no license cost to it. Absolutely open source and free, so anybody can build their own app easily. But if you're looking for a more paid version, the parent of this is the LangGraph, which I've covered in previous videos. So make sure that you check that out as well. Let's talk about limitations of LangChain. It depends on LLMs. So quality really depends on the AI model you connect. You can use any open source small data set or model, but that quality will not be that great. Complex for beginners, some setup and coding requirement, like if you are from Python background, you'll find it easy. If you're not, little bit challenging in terms of learning curve. There are some performance issues if you are not handling it correct, or if you're building it in a local with a large data set, you may see some performance issues. Security issues and compliances must be handled carefully, especially for the sensitive data. It's still evolving. New features are getting added, and so documentation may change every now and then. That's all you should know about LangChain before we start hands-on coding, and that's where we will build our own chatbots easily so that you can share it to the world that you built your own ChatGPT. Thank you so much for joining. See you in the next episode. Till then, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.